Hi friends, it's Miss Michelle with a miraculous bubble fish. Ooh, this fish is gonna blow some bubbles. Okay, for this activity, we need a sponge, and have your mom or dad cut a little piece of the sponge off like this. And we're gonna use these 3 fingers, okay? We also need water, just plain water, and I added a little food coloring so you could see the bubbles on the white. You could add paint too if you want to make it more fun. So we're going to use these 3 fingers, and we're going to dip the, oh, I'm sorry kids, I'm supposed to draw a fish first. Oops. We're gonna draw a big fish. You can draw that fish any way you want to draw it. And then we're going to dip the sponge in the water, squeeze, dab, 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 dab. Then we're going to squeeze the big bubble. Wow, let all the water out. Look how big that bubble is. Then we're going to squeeze our sponge, get everything out of it, and we're gonna suck up the bubble. Watch this. Squeeze it out, suck up, squeeze it out, suck up the bubble. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's so crazy. Now we're gonna dry it, and we're gonna push down as hard as we can and dry, 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 dry all the water off. Let's erase the fish too. Nice. This is good heavy work. Push down as hard as you can and erase everything. Now we're gonna make a little fish. Little tiny fish. And this little tiny fish makes little tiny bubbles. So this time we're gonna make 4 little tiny bubbles. Are you ready? Squeeze the sponge in the water. Dab, dab, dab. Now we're going to do 4 drops. 1, use your 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, the fish made 4 bubbles. Look at that. Let's squeeze our sponge again. Squeeze all the water out. And we're going to make the bubbles disappear. Ready? Oh, that's fun. It's like magic. And then we're going to use our tissue again, and we're going to dry off all the water and dry off the fish and all the water. Push down as hard as you can when you do that. Okay, boys and girls, that's it. You can have so much fun with this. You can make as many bubbles as you want, okay? Let's say goodbye to Miraculous Bubble Fish, and we can blow some of our own bubbles too. Take care, friends. Have fun.